The danger for the Filipinos is this, that you think you can make use of the Americans, but in the end, instead of the Americans playing on your chessboard, you become a pawn on the American chessboard. The Philippines, with the help of American lawyers, took China to compulsory arbitration. So China saw a trap. If you begin to accept that you have to argue why you can opt out, then you cannot opt out after that. So China said, no, I'm not taking part. So what did they do? They said, okay, if you don't want to take part, then I will appoint judges on your behalf, and I will make your case on your behalf. So China didn't want to take part for understandable reasons. China was new to this game. So the Filipinos feel that now they've got UNCLOS on their side, and the Americans are, of course, egging them on. China prefers the fruit to ripen on its own and not to pluck it. If you pluck it, it's sour, but if it ripens on its own, it'll be a very sweet fruit. So this is also a message to the Philippines.
Binantaan naman ng China ang Pilipinas na huwag makisawsaw sa nangyayaring tensyon ngayon sa Taiwan. Buwelta naman ng palasyo, hindi makikialam ang Pilipinas basta hindi tayo madadamay sa gulo. Nasa frontline balitang yan si Gio Robles.
Mainit ang Taiwan sa mga oras na ito. Pinapalibutan sila ng mga eroplano at barkong pandigma ng China na tila pumuposisyon para lumusob. Ang Taiwan malapit lang sa Pilipinas, partikular sa Northern Luzon. Kaya naman, ang Armed Forces of the Philippines nakamonitor at naghahanda sa mga posibleng mangyari.
Start planning for actions in case there is an invasion of Taiwan. If something happens to Taiwan, inevitably, we will be involved.
Babala naman ng China sa Pilipinas, huwag daw tayong makisawsaw sa isyu ng Taiwan. Tila nagbabanta pa ang tono ng China.
Muling naglunsad ang China ng military exercises sa paligid ng Taiwan. Pinalagan niya ng Taiwanese government, habang ang Chief of Staff ng ating militar pinaghahanda ang hukbo sa Northern Luzon sa paglusob ng China at pagsagip sa libo-libong Pilipino sa Taiwan. May report si Joseph Moro.
Naglalakihang barko ng China ang namataan ng Taiwan Defense Ministry malapit sa kanilang teritoryo. Ayon sa dalawang senior officials sa Taiwan, lagpas 10 warship ng China ang lumapit sa 24 nautical mile contiguous zone ng Taiwan. Kasabay ito ng paglunsad ng China ng Joint Army, Navy and Rocket exercises sa paligid ng Taiwan. Layon daw nitong magsilbing babala laban sa pagsusulong ng independence ng Taiwan. Noon pa man itinuturing ng China ang Taiwan bilang kanilang probinsya na handa raw nilang bawiin kahit umabot sa giyera. Yan ay kahit nagsasalinin na ang Taiwan bilang Republic of China. Ayon sa Taiwanese Defense Ministry, mahigit 70 Chinese military aircraft at 13 Chinese